How to upload the CapCut videos to YouTube. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you have edited a CapCut video but now you want to directly upload it to YouTube, it is possible. First of all, you'll just have to tap open a new project or open the CapCut video that you would like to upload to YouTube. Once you have opened the video, make sure to make the necessary changes and edit it. Once that is done, you can even set the resolution, the code rate, as well as the aspect ratio as per your wish. Once you have chosen the frame rate as well, tap on the export button which is on the top right corner. Once exported, you will see a screen like this. You can either share to TikTok and other apps. Tap on the YouTube from the list and it will take you to another page. From here, tap on next. Once you tap on next, you will now have to arrange the timeline of the video. Make sure to make it proper in order to upload it to YouTube. Then tap on next and then add details such as caption, your visibility, the related video and other settings, and then tap on upload. And this is how you have posted or uploaded the CapCut videos to YouTube. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.